So this smartphone costs less than $200 and is still pretty good. Let's find out. Hey guys, Thunder E here, and I know I haven't done a video in a while, but you can understand why. I'm back here with a new device that I think you will love because it really cuts down to the core, especially of what's going on today. Now, this device retails for starting around $180, and of course it goes up in price depending on what variant you're getting, because it comes with either 6 gigs of RAM or 8 gigabytes of RAM. Now, this Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is quite interesting for its price point. It looks more expensive, first of all. It looks like something that you would pay more money for. Comes with a 6.67-inch display, 1080p by 2400. Also has a fingerprint sensor on the side by the power button, which is nice. It is fast, it is responsive, it works really well. Now, under the hood there, you've got a Snapdragon 720 processor. It's a little older processor, but still a good processor. And especially if you're spending this amount of money, you shouldn't be worried about what you're getting in here. But performance is fast and snappy. As you scroll through, you look around within this device, you can see how fast and smooth it works, and it does a really good job. So I like that. I like that with you. Now you can get, as I mentioned, the 6 or 8 gigabyte variant with either 64 gigabytes of RAM or 128, and you've got micro SD storage. So with all that there, I'm gonna ask, okay, I like to game. What about gaming? How does it actually function on a device like this? Pretty smooth. Now, you're not going to max out graphical settings on things like PUBG, but you're playing PUBG, you can still play it at, high levels, it's smooth, and it runs really well. It runs well, runs without any hiccups, and it feels comfortable to play. If you're playing Call of Duty Mobile, it's the same thing. Now, in terms of temperatures, you're going, okay, it must have a lot of heat. 97 degrees. It's better than the OnePlus 8 Pro, which ran up to like 105. So I'm liking where this device stands right now. Now, when it comes to audio, it's a good audio. It also has a headphone jack as well, so that's actually not bad. And you've got a bottom firing speaker as well. Now, this charges via USB Type-C, and it's got a 5020 milliamp battery. Massive, so which means you can spend time gaming using this device and you will have no issues because you've got a big battery, which charges, by the way, up to 50% in 30 minutes with a 33-watt charger that comes in the box. So again, that's dope. I mean, I like that it has all these cool features. Now, adding to that, you've got a 64 megapixel camera at the back. 8 megapixel ultra wide, you've got a depth sensor as well. So it gives you quite a bit in terms of photo functionality. And that's actually pretty cool because at this price range, you're expecting just horrible images. And images come out well. There's an AI functionality built into it. This is something that Huawei has tried to take the feature, 3, 2, 1, go, sorry. This is something that Xiaomi has tried to take its features from its high-end phones down all the way into the Redmi line here. So that's actually pretty cool. You can take photos 64 megapixels, in portrait as well, also video, there's nighttime photos. It goes on. And as you can see, they're good. Again, less than $200. So that to me is actually quite key. I think overall, I do like the packaging and I like what it brings to the table, especially for those who are looking to cut and save costs. Now, speaking of other things you can add to this, now this is not sponsored. I wanted to kind of throw this in there because I felt it paired quite well. I'm talking about the Soundcore Spirit Dots. Now, a lot of you asked me to review this, and it was great to actually pair this with a device that doesn't cost that much, because also these are budget true wireless buds that also give you some really great performance. So the Soundcore Spirit Dot have a bunch of really cool features. First of all, it's a charging case, uses comes with USB Type-C. It's got a lot of bass in there as well, so giving you some nice sound. Overall, the audio quality has been really good. It's a bit bassy, but I like it. You're paying about 79 bucks for this. I think it might be even slightly less, but check the prices in the description. And it gives you a lot of really good sound. Again, they are sweat resistant, so of course you allow you to work out. They fit pretty well in your ears. IPX7 rating. Now you've got an hour charge. You've got an hour use with 10-minute charge, so that functionality is built in there. 5.5 hours, with use with the earbuds, and up to 16 hours of play time altogether. Touch controls, double tap to play and pause. I like it because it's just portable, simple, and it works well together. So if you're trying to save costs, and you're getting like a device like this with the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, then you can get, of course, something like the Soundcore. I think they work well. Now, the microphone is not that great on the Soundcore, but it's passable enough for your phone calls. That's something I would like to see improve, but I really like it, and I think a lot of people will too. Overall, I think this is a really great pairing between both of them. I really like the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. It gives you a lot. Great battery life, 5,000 milliamps, right? You've got solid cameras for under $200, actually for under $500. Let's just be real here. You've also got great performance while gaming. You've got a 720 processor in here. I think overall, most people will like this package, and I definitely, if you want to pick up something that's under $200 or $200, the 9 Pro Max from Redmi is the way to go. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know, guys. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, stay safe, and always enjoy entertainment.